Hey guys, what's going on? John here from All Around Performance doing a quick video walkthrough on one of our ATVs here. This is a Bennche Pathcross 650 V-twin four-wheel drive, electronic power steering. It's got the 2-up seat on it, 26-inch aggressive tires, independent suspension all the way around for nice smooth riding. If you decide to go trail riding, this is going to be the machine that you're going to want. Ride's amazing, it's smooth, it's quiet, shifts great. I'm going to show you some features on this thing. We'll start right here in the front. It's got nice racks on it, nice flat racks for in case you want to put any kind of storage on the front. It's got lots of grab holes, very durable with the poly on it, and it's got metal reinforced underneath. It's got a front bumper on it, kind of built in. You can't see it, but it does have a metal bumper behind this plastic. Factory installed 2,500 pound winch included, no extra charge. LED lights. Brakes, brake rotors on both front wheels. You come around here to this side, you can see that the 2-up seat is very, very comfortable. It's actually designed for the most comfort, in my opinion, the way that the cushion is on the seat, the backrest, and the handguards. Kind of suitable for any kind of terrain you want to ride in. Also, this is the most important part, is that step up. That right there is what makes a 2-up very comfortable for the passenger rider. It allows them to put their feet down and push back into the seat. It gives them a real nice, safe, secure ride. As you work your way around, it's got good sized holes in the footrest. That way water and mud, debris can come out. Rear brake pedal there, easy to check the engine oil. As we work our way around the back here, you're going to notice independent rear suspension. 2-inch reese hitch. That way if you got some yard work that you want to do or if you want to pull a trailer, it's also great for that. LED lights on the back, also with a rear plastic on the back as well. Real nice large storage container. Actually, it's got quite a bit of space in there. It's got a little bit more than I thought it was going to have, but plenty of room to put any kind of ropes, cables, chain binders, anything to pull them Polaris out of the woods. Okay, now let's go on up here and we're going to take a look. Comes equipped with these mirrors. It comes equipped with these hand guards. Let me just get right up in here. For your shifter here, you're going to have park, reverse. You're going to have high and low gear. High is going to be for getting across the field. Low is going to be for your work, or if you're going to be plowing snow. This machine can definitely plow snow. Up here on the handlebars here, you're going to have your 4-wheel drive, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive. You flip this over, it has diff lock. This is what makes this 4-wheeler really nice for working purposes, is it actually locks in the front diff. This is actually a parking brake. This is a backup safety parking brake that goes over the throttle, so that way you can't make a mistake that the parking brake is on. Your winch controls, you got all sorts of lights and switches. Full digital dash, which is going to give you your speed, your RPMs. It's going to tell you how much fuel's in it. If there's any kind of warning lights, it's obviously going to show you all that stuff there. USB for charging anything. It's going to have a 12-volt accessory outlet and obviously your key. This machine will be equipped, this machine will come with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty, which is done right through Bennche. Financing is available on this unit. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or stop on in to take a closer look at this unit. We appreciate you watching. Thanks.